What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are on our way. We are gonna head to Banff, but before we do that, let's start by looking out the window. Across the street there we have one of my favorite old trucking stops, which is Flying J. We have a Honda dealership, and then we have here a back parking lot with Toyota dealership over there. What a beautiful view. Alright, anyways, we are staying in a nice hotel. As you can see here, beds are not made. We got a table over there, got a little microwave, coffee maker, my laptop, and we are gonna head down to the truck. We are gonna head to Banff, so let's go. Alright, and we are in the truck, and we are going to head to Banff. Why is that dinging already? I didn't even move. Leaving the hotel for the day. See you later, hotel. So let's head and get a coffee first, folks, because you know how I feel about driving without my coffee. Alright, folks, we're just at the gates here to Banff. Gonna get some tickets here, honey. Gonna get paid. You pull up there? Okay, no problem. Correct, thanks. You too.
Why was she smiling at you?
Because she passed that to me with the clamp, and I just laughed, right? Like, alright, so there we go, folks. We're through there. The wife didn't want to hold the camera up.
Yeah, you're not allowed to poop in Banff.
So, anyways, we made it through there. Now we're gonna look at the mountains, eh? Holy, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, Jimmy. Beautiful. Alright, so let's head into our first stop, see where we're going here. Alright, folks, got the truck parked and we're settled there with that. We got a 2-hour parking. We're allowed to park here, so make sure it's locked. Make sure there's nothing in visible sight of anybody seeing that could cause them to want to beat a window in, right? But anyways, we're gonna go do some shopping now. Oh, why does this feel like it's all twisted? I feel like I'm all twisted up here. And we are gonna head, and as you know, the young fella back there, the wife, she wants to go shopping. She's like, woohoo, my favorite. And the kids are like, can I have a toy? Can I have a toy? Can I have a toy? And I'm like, what's to eat? Best candy store? Yeah. Alright, so we're back on track. What it was there was a clip on this side. It was unbuckled, so it felt like he was like leaning that way, right? So we got that fixed anyways. Now we are going to go, I'm not sure exactly where we're even at. But anyways, hair company. I know I gotta use the bathroom. Liquor depot, cold beer. What's going on, bud? Huh? happening back here? Folks, tell me what's going on in there. What are they doing? Huh? It looks like what they usually do, eh? Not much. Alright, so we are in like the Mall of Banff, I guess it'd be, and the stores, I think all the good stores are upstairs, so yeah, okay, yeah, we'll go up over here, see what we can find. Watch your footing, watch your footing. What, like the Actually, oh, there's another up. There's an up. That's where we came in.
How is there a street on top of the street?
The little dance they do, right, folks? Like when they're getting off, they're like, huh? What's going on over here? Egg smart. Oh, that must be like a restaurant, eh? That they're waiting to get seated. That is. That's crazy. This is there ain't much here besides this place for you.
Yeah, I don't need clothes.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what do you mean you don't need clothes? Huh? Aren't you the one that always needs clothes? There, what is going on? Oh, they're acting silly. Anyways, I guess where are we going now? Out of here? We have the stores where you can buy stuff at double the price you would anywhere else. Okay, so we in one store, didn't really like anything in there, so now we're in another one. Gonna see what we can find, and we'll go from there. The true North Canadian, eh? Well, the problem is we're not north, we're like west. Alright, another store down, didn't really find anything in there. So we're gonna keep going here, see what else we can find, and we'll go from there. It's pretty busy spot, and there's a bit going on. I don't know. People. This guy directing traffic. Alright, well, let's see where we're gonna go. Oh, wait, where are we going here? Like,
Yeah, I thought you were taking us to all this shop.
yeah, like it's back that way, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. You got me confused. Alright, so we did some shopping, got a couple things, and my son decided he wanted a clown mask. So, now he's a clown. Well, yeah. So, I'm not sure what we're gonna get next. My son's still looking for a teddy bear, so we're gonna try and find that, and we'll see what else. Alright folks, so we had to switch up a little bit here, and we had to feed the baby and that, but this is my new mask. I thought it was appropriate for me because you know how much I love my Tim Hortons coffee. But a lot of places that we're going to be going to are going to require us to wear a mask. Like we're going to Callaway Park to Monday. We're going to go to Drumheller Museum. That's probably going to have us do the same thing. So I figured that why not get a mask that I enjoy wearing, not one of those ones that look hideous, and chances are they were made, and if you watch the video, they were made in China on the ground. That's you know, it may not be, but you know, it's definitely, after watching that video, I would never wear one. So anyways, let's keep shopping, see what else we can come across. Just seen this on our travels here and figured we'd stop right quick, take a look at it. Basically, you know, what a cool little rig. This would be fun if you were all doing a travel to the beach or something, bunchies going, or you know, or even a travel anywheres, man. That'd be like a bomb. But wouldn't have that name on it. Anyways, we're gonna keep going. They're hungry. We're gonna head to McDonald's, get something here right quick. All right, folks. So we had a great day. We made it back to the hotel in one piece. Kids are kind of getting a little much now. We're gonna take a break. Probably head down the pool after supper. So hopefully, if you like this video, don't forget, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Helps out. The more subscribes I get, the better my channel is going to get. So with that said, we'll see you on the next one.